Book of Heaven, Volume 12, June 10th, 1920. The humanity of our Lord lived suspended in the air. For one who lives in the divine will, whatever it does, the soul does. I was feeling very afflicted and all alone without support from anyone, and my sweet Jesus clasped me in his arms, lifting me up in the air, and told me,
"My daughter, when my humanity lived on earth, it lived suspended halfway between heaven and earth. Having all the earth under me and all heaven above me, and by living in this way, I tried to draw all the earth into myself and all heaven and make them one single thing. Had I wanted to live at the earth's level, I could not have drawn everything into myself, only a few points at the most. It is true that living suspended in the air cost me much. I had no place on which to lean, nor anyone on which to lean, and only things of strict necessity were given to my humanity. As for the rest, I was always alone and without any comfort. However, this was necessary. First, because of the nobility of my person, to whom it did not befit living down below, with vile and faulty human supports. Second, because of the great office of redemption, which had to have supremacy over everything. Therefore, it befitted me to live up high, above everyone. Now, one whom I call to my likeness, I place in the same conditions in which I placed my own humanity. Therefore, I myself am your prop. My own arms are your support, and as I make you live in my arms, suspended in the air, only things of strict necessity can reach you. For one who lives in my will, detached from everyone, all for me, anything more than strict necessities are vile things, and a degrading herself from her nobility. And if human supports are given to her, she senses the stench of the human, and she herself drives them away."
Then he added,
"As soon as the soul enters into my will, her volition remains bound with my eternal volition, and even if she does not think about it, since her will has been bound to mine, whatever my will does, hers does as well, and together with me she runs for the good of all."
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring His kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.